Hi everyone. Today's tutorial is the shell pattern mobile phone bag. The hook method is relatively simple. Take out the thread and tie a slip knot first. Then hook to 21 braid needles. "21 braids needle hooks. Then rewind to the second stitch and start crocheting. Pick half the needle and enter the needle. Crochet 19 short needles in sequence. Let's finish these 19 short stitches first. "19 short stitches finished. 1 braid needle left. We hook 3 short stitches in this stitch. After hooking, start hooking the other side. On this side, we pick the remaining half of the needle. Hook 18 short stitches in sequence. Let's repeat the hook for these 18 short stitches first. "18 short stitches finished. 1 needle left. Crochet 2 short stitches in this stitch. That is, short needle plus needle. After hooking, start the position of the first short needle. Hook a lead needle. First lap completed. Then come to the second circle. First hook a braid needle to make a standing needle. Then at the first needle destination, needle addition for crocheted short needles. It means to hook to short needles. Short needle plus needle hook. We hook another 18 short needles in sequence. Repeat the hook for these 18 short needles first. 18 short stitches finished. Needle addition for lower needle would hook short needle. After adding the lower needle would and hook a short needle. Next reel would hook, short needle and needle. After ticking, continue to tick 18 short stitches in sequence. "18 short needle hook bends. Lower needle would and hook short needle plus needle. The last stitch hooks a short stitch. After hooking, hook the first short needle for a lead. The second round is over. Then come to the third circle. Hook a braid needle for a standing needle. Then hook to 22 short stitches in sequence. "22 short stitches finished. Lower needle would and hook 1 short needle plus needle. After adding the needle and hooking, hook 22 short needles in sequence. After hooking, there is 1 reel wood left. Add a needle to the short needle on this reel wood hook. After hooking, let's seduce the first short needle. The bottom is hooked. Next, start crocheting patterns. First, hook a braid needle to make a standing needle. Then hook 3 short needles in sequence. After hooking 3 braid needles, then empty 3 needles without hooking. Insert the needle at the 4th needle head. Hook 3 short needles in sequence. After the 3 short needles are hooked, continue to hook the 3 braid needles. Then empty 3 stitches without hook. 4th needle entry. Hook 3 short needles in sequence. The pattern of the circle is like this. Hook 3 short stitches, then 3 braids, vacuum 3 stitches, do not hook. Finish the circle first in this order. There are just 3 stitches left after hooking. We seduce and pull in the first needle. Then hook a braid needle to make a standing needle. Hook a short needle in the same position. And then you go to the braid stitches where you crochet into the stitches. Hook 7 long needles here. Seven long needle hooks to play with. Go to the second short stitch into the stitch and crochet a short stitch. Such a pattern is repeated to crochet for a set. Continue to the braid needle and insert the needle 7 long needles. Finish. Go to the second short needle and hook a short needle here. And then to the braid needles. Continue to hook 7 long needles. This time we repeat the crochet like this. After a circle of hooks, seduce the first short needle here. Then, we pull the wire to the position of the 3rd long needle. That's here. Three stitches pulled out. Hook another braid needle for a standing needle. Hook a short needle in the same position. Continue to tick to short stitches and turn. Three short stitches are ticked here. Then hook 3 braid needles. Then insert the needle on the 3rd long needle. Hook 3 short needles and turn. After hooking, hook 3 more braid needles. Continue to insert the needle on the 3rd long needle. Hook 3 short needles and turn. This circle we follow this rule. Go hook it up. After hooking, seduce on the first short needle. Then hook a braid needle to make a standing needle. Then hook another short needle in the same position. Braid needle into needle here. Hook 7 long needles. After hooking, hook a short needle on the second short needle. The method of welding the 5th ring hook here is the same. Back crochet. We will repeat the pattern of the 5th and 6th turns of welding. Hook until the length you want. Repeated hook method. First hooks by itself. I don't understand. You can jump to the front and watch it a few more times. Here my shell pattern is hooked 8 times. After hooking the lock, a needle is broken. Hide the thread with a suture needle. Then crochet a small flower for decoration. Just match a diagonal strap on both sides.